It's too easy to drown in the noise. Every screen, every voice, every choice would fill the air so we don't feel alone. But quiet's where the truth comes home. There's a heartbeat in the still of night. When the world slows down, it all feels right. You can hear your soul when the world won't talk, if you just stop long enough to walk. In the silence, I can hear my thoughts. All the battles I've won and the ones I've lost. The wind through the trees, it speaks so clear, says slow down son, you're still here. We don't need more words or sound, just a piece that silence found. Turn it off, let it all fade away, and listen to what the quiet has to say. I used to sit in the dark, let the shower run, no lights on, just water enough. It's amazing what you see through the black, how much of your life starts looking back. In that stillness I made my amends, faced the truth I've been dodging since then. It wasn't loud but it sure was deep. That's the kind of peace you get to keep. The quiet lets me take stock of my life. What's really wrong, what's just noise disguised, what's stressing me out, what's worth the fight, what fades away come morning light. I see the worries I can knock down, and the ones I can't I lay on the ground. It's strange how peace can set you straight, how small your troubles get when you wait. Hustle and bustle, I'm learning to see what happiness really means to me. It's not the crowd or the city sound, it's the laughter in this love I found. The only noise I want these days is my wife's soft voice, my children's play. The dogs out back running wild and free, that's the sound of happiness to me. In the silence, I can hear my heart, all the things that set me apart. The world can spin and rush right by, but I've got peace I can't deny. Yeah, I don't need more words or sound, just the love that silence found. Turn it off, let it all fade away, and listen to the sound of happiness play. Cause silence ain't empty, it's alive. It's where the truth and joy delight, and that laughter, that love, that grace I find, that's the sweetest sound of all time.